going to be learning all about woodworking.
Hey, it's Shylo. Come on, let's explore today. Hey, it's Shylo. Shylo, hooray!
Wow! Hey, this is my friend, Joey. He is a woodworker. Joey, I have a crazy idea.
Okay, I'm listening.
Could we make a robot?
A robot? A wooden robot?
Yeah, a wooden robot.
Let's do it! Okay, Shylo. So the first thing we're gonna need to do for our wooden robot is pick some wood out from the wood pile.
Okay,
Can you help me pick some boards out?
sure.
Okay, we're gonna need some material for the legs and the arms. What do you think we should use?
Well, maybe this piece for the legs.
What about for the body?
This piece.
Oh, that piece is perfect. Should we start using the saw?
Sure.
Okay. So first thing we need to do is mark where his mouth is gonna be. So let's take this and mark at 2 inches. We're gonna start the blade. And we're gonna cut a groove, and that will be the robot's mouth. Okay, now we're gonna cut it down to 4 inches. Can you set the fence for me at 4 inches?
Sure. Oh, I keep going over.
You got it.
It's a little over.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, let's start it up. We might need hearing protection for this.
Okay.
Here's some for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me more of those. Okay. Okay, do you want to start up the machine for me?
Yes.
Press that button. Now this button. Now this button. Now let's send it through.
Oh, nice. That's good.
There it goes.
Nice.
So Shylo, I'm gonna give you this tape measure, and we're gonna measure his body and his head and mark it out and cut it on the saw. Now from the top of the board down, could you mark 5 inches? I'll hold it for you.
Thank you. Perfect.
I am a robot. Now we're gonna make his arms.
Okay.
So 2 inches per arm and per leg. Perfect. Let's cut them up.
Nice.
Focus. So we're gonna put this guy together now. This is called a vise. We'll put his head in the vise. You wanna crank the wheel?
Sure.
All right, a little bit more and perfect. All right, let's mark out his eyes. And push down. What is up with this force a bit?
Whoa, nice.
There's one of his eyes.
Good job, Joey. That looks great.
You wanna try the other one?
I'll try.
Okay.
Okay, let's
This
see
time
if I can
push
get
it with all your might.
Okay, I will. Joey, I think I need your help.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Whoa, he looks great. Good job. I love it.
Is he smiling?
Well, I don't think he's smiling, but I think he's secretly smiling.
Now, we gotta connect his head and his body together.
What do you suggest?
Well, we've got this string here,
Okay.
but we're gonna need some holes in here, and here, and here, and here, so that we can put him all together
Perfect.
with string.
Love it.
Okay.
Love it. Whoa, whoa.
All right. That's all of our pieces drilled and ready to go.
Okay, let's sand him.
Let's go. Come on, let's explore today. Hey. Okay, so next we're gonna sand up this wood so it's nice and smooth.
Okay.
We broke all the edges so it's not so sharp. Now we're gonna sand the faces so they're nice and smooth before we put a coat of finish on them. What we're gonna do, see how it fits in my hand like this? We're just gonna sand this. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's flip it over. Perfect. Yeah, good. I'll do that now. Okay, man.
Joey? Why do we need gloves?
because it will get sticky all over your hands with the oil.
Okay.
One for you,
Thank you.
one for me. You want to do this one?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Actually,
Oh.
why don't you do his face?
Yeah.
Okay, so we dip it in the oil.
Oh, he's coming to life.
Yeah, put it on all sides, okay?
Okay. It's so smooth. You did a good job, Joey.
Thank you. I'm a master sander.
You are the best woodworker I ever knew.
How many woodworkers do you know? And now what we have to do is wipe off all the oil, okay? Until it's almost dry, okay? For this next step, we're gonna cure the finish, but you'll need these special sunglasses.
Whoa, let's do it. Thank you.
Okay, this, when you're ready, press that button and shine the light on these pieces that we just put oil on. Okay,
Whoa.
here we go. Okay, I think we're ready to put this guy together.
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay, I think we need to give him a name. I think we should call him Joey the robot.
Perfect.
So thank you so much for having us. Today was so fun.
I had so much fun. Thank you for coming.
Until next time. Go Joey, go Joey, go Joey.